Okay, girls, this play is called 2. We ran it in the summer, and we've had a lot of success with 2 in the past. It's a good play. Credit to Lovell. 2 is one of those plays that if we run it after we run Zags, well, I shouldn't call it Zags, Texas, we'll have more success because they're anticipating us passing to the wing from the high post. But we get a lot of points on this in the back cut. So I'm going to play it all the way through and then explain a couple things that are good and a couple things that need to improve. Okay, so first notice that our setup it's not perfect, but we have 4 high, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ashlyn, the point guard, is just trying to get the ball to one of these girls. It's important. This timing is important. If you come too soon, this pass becomes increasingly hard, which McCall probably came a hair too soon. Lucy's got good spacing here, so that's why Ashlyn decided to throw here. And what you're going to see, as soon as Lucy catches this ball, Addie's going to take a quick, hard back cut, and that's the first look. Textbook. What didn't happen that should have happened, to be a little sharper, as soon as Ashlyn makes this pass, she needs to take a step and bring her defender this way. You can see her defender's kind of following her. So Ashlyn needs to be a little more disciplined and do a 7 cut. Because the second option is if this girl plays good defense and doesn't get caught watching the ball, and this isn't open, our next option is for Ashlyn to come this way and then come around, and she should be open. So you see she's kind of doing it. She's just jogging around because she saw that Addie was wide open, but you see Ashlyn's defender's way back here. So this could potentially be wide open as well. So that's called 2.